I've been telling my parents about like everything we do in this class. They aren't really books of archival quality, which means that we can handle them ourselves, which is kind of a really rare opportunity, and it's amazing because we get to see all of these different features of books and be learning while we go about how books used to be printed and how early modern print started.
What's really cool on a lot of them is they have binder's waste, which is stuff from older books in them, so actually handwritten things.
A field trip to Twin Rocker Paper Company, which was really interesting to learn how paper is made, and they do this all by hand, which was really fascinating, and I was honestly a bit surprised.